So what we're doing here is we're going to be making some burgers, but we need a good aioli to go with them, right? So we talked off air, and you're going to make it by hand.
Yeah, old school.
And I'm going to use a hand mixer from Braun that's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to get started. Again, keeping it nice and fresh. So you're chopping yours up real nice and fine, right?
I'm gonna try.
Because I don't have to do that. So in goes 1 clove of garlic. If you want more garlic, you like more garlic, you can put more garlic in it. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. It would probably, if you're kind of measuring at home, it'd be probably a 1/4 teaspoon of each. And then I'm going to take a little bit of chipotle pepper. And yes, I've already done the black pepper, but when you add chipotle, you're adding layers of flavor. Oh, that garlic smells so good. So about a 1/4 of a teaspoon of chipotle, a little bit of Dijon, and I have a honey Dijon here. Is that okay? Are you okay with the honey Dijon?
I'm fine with that, yeah.
So about a tablespoon of, put that over on his side. Then I'm going to take 2 eggs. In they go. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar.
So that's just gonna blend up.
Yep.
And then now is what I'm going to do is slowly, very slowly. If you think you're going too slow, go slower.
Okay.
And you just have to drizzle to make the emulsification, to get that oil suspended.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's basically, it's the original type mayonnaise, right?
Yep.
What we're making here is just homemade mayonnaise.
So in 10 seconds, we have all ours blended in. Now, you know, he's using a measuring cup. I'm just going by eyeball. So we're just going to slowly add the oil in.
Starting to sweat. Once you have the initial emulsification done, you can add your oil in faster.
Yep.
So I'm done.
So now you're going to put a little bit of olive oil.
Just a little bit of olive oil, just add some flavor.
And now you're going to add your acid now?
Yeah.
So do you want me to cut up a half lemon for you?
Sure, please.
And then did you put any of the mustard in at all? Or
Not
just
yet, no.
okay.
I put all my stuff in at the end, actually.
Okay. Well, because they're always made
Done
differently.
differently, yeah.
Hi. Who's that?
That's Dave, the cameraman.
Nothing like cottage lifestyle.
That's
Okay, so your aioli son, I'm gonna grab a spoon.
Okay. I'm gonna grab a paper towel.
Okay. You coming back anytime soon? Yeah. You try mine?
Thank you.
Good, nice and light. Mm-hmm. You have a little bit more air in it because you've had it whipping a little bit more. A little lot lighter.
Little pepper.
Okay, so we're gonna go make some French fries.
All right.